Hi Disney lovers, it's Moika and I'm back at Hong Kong Disneyland. This time we're diving into everything Marvel because the park recently hosted a limited time event filled with exciting updates and super fun experiences for Marvel fans. Even though the event is wrapping up soon, many of the experiences, characters, and tips I'll be covering could still be helpful if you're planning a visit in the future. Plus, there are plenty of Marvel experiences you can enjoy anytime outside of the event, so this video will cover those as well. Okay, let's dive right in! Let's start with the Marvel Season Superheroes event. This limited time celebration began in 2023 and returned this year from April 16th to June 1st, with new additions under the theme Live Epic and Join the Fight. One of the biggest updates this year, Scarlet Witch finally made her first ever appearance at Hong Kong Disneyland. She stars in a brand new nighttime drone show called Join the Mission Scarlet Skies, featuring chaos magic, fire effects, and a stunning drone display lighting up the sky over Stark Expo. This was honestly one of my favorite parts of the event.
The righteous Avengers. I will take Hydra's power and resources. Do not stand in my way.
See, I'm coming in hot. I'm gonna blast these drones out the sky before she gets a chance to throw towers. Incoming! There's some kind of force field around me. I can't be close. Whoa, 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 whoa. Well, I won't be flying anywhere for a while. Her hex magic flies my circuit. Hey, Cap, this way. Watch this. We must focus. Steel their minds and take a defensive stance. Copy me and defend yourselves. One more push.
No! You leave me no choice but to unleash my true power. The Darkhold has shown me the truth. Now I will show you.
Wanda, be reasonable. This isn't you.
It's not Wanda who has come for you. It's the Scarlet Witch. Just so you know what is about to happen, this is me being reasonable. I will open doors in the multiverse to unleash power you cannot possibly imagine.
1, 2, 3. Amazing students I see. Keep it up.
You're a fool to rely on these amateurs. The mystic arts cannot contain my power. I will show you real power.
We need to send her to the realm between realms. It's the only way to get rid of the Darkhold. Protect Stark Expo. And all these people.
Okay, so you mean rip a hole in space?
One last time. Follow these movements and focus. We are opening the multiverse. Follow me. Up, down, around, and together.
Darkhold destroyed. No. My powers. I will enter the multiverse to claim them back.
I tell you what. Leave our universe and don't return. It's not just the Avengers you have to worry about anymore. It's everyone here.
Wanda is my absolute favorite Marvel character, and since she rarely appears in the parks, I was so excited to finally watch her live in action. The show itself was amazing. Seeing Scarlet Witch and Marvel heroes in this powerful nighttime production was such a moment. Now, in terms of where to watch, Scarlet Witch appears on a small stage to the right of Cirque Expo, while the heroes appear on the elevated bridge above the Tomorrowland stage. Iron Man is on the main Tomorrowland stage. The drones fly overhead in the center, so you won't be able to see everything up close from a single spot. On day 1, we stood near the small stage to get a closer view of Scarlet Witch and the drones. Then on day 2, we moved closer to the Tomorrowland stage to focus on the heroes. If you're not filming or aiming for close-ups, standing somewhere in the center might give you the most balanced view of the entire show. During the day, there are interactive activities with Marvel superheroes and S.H.I.E.L.D. agents. At S.H.I.E.L.D. headquarters next to Expo Assembly Station, you'll find training sessions featuring combat skills, puzzles, and reflex-based games. When we joined, it was led by S.H.I.E.L.D. agents, but we also spotted a session led by Doctor Strange, which looked so cool. These activities seem to be mainly geared toward kids, but they're still fun to watch.
Anything else comes up, I just might give you a call. Stay safe out there. Iron Man out.
There's another activity at the Tomorrowland stage where they test your reaction speed, and then you get to meet Captain America. It was my first time meeting Sam and I was so excited. The S.H.I.E.L.D. moves he did were so cool. These interactive experiences are probably only available during the event. But don't worry, Sam is now part of the regular Marvel character lineup, so you can still meet him even after the event ends.
Hey team, let's get to it. Due to imminent threats surrounding the area, I need those of you willing to stand for what is right. I need you.
Over at Starliner Diner, the Marvel-themed restaurant in Tomorrowland, they introduced 3 new items for the event. The Captain America Cheese Steak Burger Combo, a non-alcoholic drink called Groot X, and Thor's Hammer Lemon Cupcake. When we visited, the cheese steak burger was already sold out, so I ordered the Groot Wild Mushroom Cheeseburger Combo with Groot X, and my husband got the Hulk Double Beef Cheeseburger Combo. The bun on the Groot burger was a little hard, but overall it was pretty good. I'm not sure if these new items will still be available after the event ends. There were also special limited time dishes at the Archivist inside Disney's Hollywood Hotel, a Marvel-themed cafe filled with items and details from Marvel movies offering Marvel-inspired food and drinks. Limited time dishes include a Sweet Delights Assemble and Steak Breaker, along with new Marvel cocktails introduced for the event, the Sokovian Chaos, Red Wing Flight, and the Potent Stones. We had visited before just to look around, but this was our first time dining here. We went back multiple times, so I'll share everything we tried, including year-round items. Everything was delicious, and many of the cocktails had fun surprises or creative twists. You can also request non-alcoholic versions, which is great. I'll show more of the restaurant's Marvel decor later in the video when we cover non-seasonal highlights. The Hollywood Hotel also hosted special activities like the S.H.I.E.L.D. Agent Training Campus, the Marvel Superheroes Lamp Workshop, and the Marvel Superheroes Art and Craft Mission. We didn't get to join them this time, but you can find all the current hotel activity details in the link in the description. And of course, there was exclusive Marvel merchandise including t-shirts, accessories, and collectible Cosby bobblehead keychains, all available for a limited time. At Expo Shop and Pavilion Gifts, there were also giant Cosby figures of 3 Marvel characters. They were so cute. Now, let's talk about the amazing Marvel experiences you can enjoy throughout the year at Hong Kong Disneyland Resort. In Tomorrowland, there are 2 Marvel attractions, Ant-Man and the Wasp Nano Battle and Iron Man Experience. Both rides are unique to this park and a lot of fun. The Ant-Man ride is a shooting attraction where you'll join Ant-Man and the Wasp in a high-energy, interactive mission. Until this visit, we used to think it was just a regular shooting game, but it turns out there are actually scoring tricks and hidden combos that lets you boost your score if you know what to do. So we ended up riding over and over again, trying to master the ride. Apparently, scoring over 1 million is considered expert level. My personal best was 580,000, and while my husband got closer, he didn't quite hit 1 million either. We're definitely planning to keep challenging ourselves on this ride every time we come back. The Iron Man experience is like an Iron Man version of Star Tours, where you'll board the Iron Wing and soar over Hong Kong in a thrilling adventure. Unlike Star Tours, this one only has a single storyline, but it's fun.
Must be safely stowed beneath your seats.
You can also meet Marvel characters year-round. From Iron Man and Black Widow to Captain Marvel and more, you never know who might show up. Some meet and greet times are listed on the app, but there are also surprise appearances that aren't listed, so it's always worth keeping an eye out. There's a dedicated facility for meeting Iron Man, while other heroes appear either on the Tomorrowland stage or at Expo Assembly Station. I even spotted Peter Quill casually taking a walk around Tomorrowland before. During our visit this time, we met Captain Marvel, Doctor Strange, Sam or Captain America, and Shuri. Sometimes you can even catch characters in pairs. We tried to meet Doctor Strange and Captain Marvel together, but the line was cut off before we made it in. Back at Disney's Hollywood Hotel, you can stay in Marvel-themed rooms with cool superhero touches. For a full tour of the hotel, check out my Hollywood Hotel full tour video. This time, we also bought the Marvel amenity pouch set for the first time. There are 2 designs, Goofy and Iron Man, and we chose Iron Man version. I especially loved how the back of the pouch looks like a movie clapperboard. It totally fits the hotel's theme. Inside the hotel, you'll also find a large Marvel mural and Archivist cafe, which I mentioned earlier. Let me show you all the cool displays they have inside. So, whether you're visiting during the Marvel season of superheroes or any other time of the year, there's always something exciting for Marvel fans at Hong Kong Disneyland. If you're planning a visit, make sure you don't miss these Marvel must-dos. Stay tuned for my next video, where I'll give you a full tour of the cheapest Disney hotel at Tokyo Disney Resort, Tokyo Disney Celebration Hotel. Thank you for watching, and see you real soon!